Solar System. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. Over time, the cloud formed the Sun in a protoplanetary disk that gradually coalesced to form planets and other objects. That is the reason why all 8 planets have an orbit that lies near the same plane. Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war, and is often referred to as the Red Planet because the reddish iron oxide prevalent on its surface gives it a reddish appearance that is distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. Mars is a terrestrial. Venus is the 2nd planet from the Sun, orbiting at every 224.7 Earth days. It has the longest. Saturn. Saturn. Titan. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the 2nd largest natural satellite in the solar system. It is the only moon known to have a dense atmosphere. Titan is the 6th gravitationally rounded moon from Saturn, frequently described as a planet. Like Moon, Titan is 50% larger than Earth's moon and 80% more massive. It is the 2nd. Pluto. Lisa 667 is a stellar and planetary system composed of 3 stars and at least 5 planets, with the latter located around Earth. Gliese like the primary, the secondary star Gliese 667A. The largest star in the system is a K-type main sequence star of stellar classification. B1400 Centauri. J1407b. J1407b is the first exoplanet or brown dwarf discovered with a ring system.
J1407b est la première exoplanète, une naine brune, découverte avec un système d'anneaux par la méthode des transits. Une séquence d'occultation. Kepler 16. Kepler 16 est un système d'étoiles binaires à éclipse dans la constellation de Cygnus. Les deux étoiles sont plus petites que le Soleil. La primaire, Kepler 16a, est une étoile de séquence principale de type K. Et la secondaire, Kepler 16b, est une naine rouge de type M. Elles sont séparées de 0,22 unités astronomiques et effectuent une orbite autour d'un centre de masse commun tous les 41 jours. Le système abrite une planète extrasolaire connue en orbite circumstellaire, Kepler 16b, de la taille de Saturne. Kepler 16b. Kepler 16b est une planète extrasolaire. C'est une planète de masse similaire. Système solaire. Le système solaire s'est formé il y a environ 4,6 milliards d'années à partir de l'effondrement gravitationnel d'un immense nuage moléculaire interstellaire. Au fil, il y a environ 4,5 milliards d'années, la Terre était une protoplanète, une planète en cours de formation. Lorsque Theia, une autre protoplanète d'une taille comparable à Mars, voit son orbite dramatiquement perturbée et en vient à croiser le chemin de la Terre. L'impact entre les protoplanètes est cataclysmique. Il pulvérise Theia, ces fragments envoyés en orbite autour de la Terre. L'attraction gravitationnelle attire une partie des fragments les uns vers les autres, jusqu'à ce qu'ils fusionnent et forment ce qui deviendra la Lune. D'autres s'écrasent sur la Terre, assombrissant le ciel. Avec le temps, la Terre et la Lune se refroidissent et prennent graduellement l'apparence que nous leur connaissons aujourd'hui. Le Soleil. Le Soleil, comme toutes les étoiles, n'est pas éternel. Lorsque son hydrogène est totalement consommé, le Soleil entre dans la phase de géante rouge. Il grossit jusqu'à englober les planètes les plus proches. Mercure, Vénus, la Terre et finalement Mars. Après cela, il perdra plusieurs de ses couches externes lors de la formation d'une nébuleuse planétaire et finira par rétrécir pour devenir une naine blanche. Les naines blanches sont encore très chaudes, mais pas aussi chaudes que le Soleil l'est actuellement.
Gliese 667 is a stellar and planetary system composed of 3 stars and at least 5 planets, with the latter located around the star Gliese 667c. It is located approximately 22 light years. Kepler 19 is a planetary system that consists of 8 confirmed planets. It is thus the first known exoplanetary system to have as many confirmed planets as the solar system. Kepler 90b. Kepler 90b is a super-Earth exoplanet. Its mass is 2.27 Earths, takes 7 days to complete one orbit of its star and is 0.074 astronomical units from its star. Kepler 90c is a super-Earth exoplanet. Its mass is 1.81 Earths. It takes 8.7 days. Kepler 90c. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. Over time, the cloud formed the Sun and a protoplanetary disk that gradually coalesced to form planets and other objects. That is the reason why all 8 planets have an orbit that lies near the same plane. Mars. Earth. Sun. The Sun, like all stars, is not eternal. When its hydrogen is completely consumed, the Sun enters the red giant phase. It grows to encompass the nearest planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and eventually Mars. After this, it will lose many of its outer layers in a planetary nebula, and eventually shrink to become a white dwarf. White dwarf stars are still very hot, but not nearly as hot as the Sun is now. Pluto. Gliese 667. Gliese 667 is a stellar and planetary. Gliese 667c. C. Gliese 667cb. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of it. TRAPPIST-1 is a stellar system comprised of a red dwarf star, orbited by 7 planets. They were discovered in 2016 using the transit method, where a planet dims its host star's light as it passes in front of it. All of the planets are much closer to their star than Mercury is to the Sun, making the TRAPPIST-1 system very compact. TRAPPIST-1e is a solid cluster-sized exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone. It is similar to the solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. Over time, the cloud formed the Sun and a protoplanet. TRAPPIST-1e is a solid ghost-sized exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone. It is similar to Earth's mass, radius, density, gravity, temperature, and stellar of Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun, and the only object in the universe known to harbor life, according to radiometric dating and other sources of evidence.